Yeah, for um, challenging work problem, I have a lot of experience because that's my one of my interests, solving challenging problems. So I can tell you one. I was in this bank, and when I came in, they have this application that like stops working at a certain period of time, and they can't explain what's happening. They can't solve. They cannot pinpoint the problem. So I came from the other team, but I extended my help. So I first what I did is know the architecture, how 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 the communication is flowing. So I learned the network side, and then what I did is read the configuration files. So this read the configurations of files of the web servers, of the application servers. Take a look at the code, and then after I'm familiar, I put metrics. I put some scripts to capture metrics to get values, and then after so this problem has been lingering for them for months already, if not years. And after a week of studying it, I already pinpoint the issue. I've fixed. I've fixed once I fix some issue. There's still an issue that comes up again, and so what issues did I fix? I have fixed the configuration of the web server. No, so it's the configuration is just default, so it it doesn't allow lots of users to concurrent users. So I just increase it based on the metrics that I've discovered, including on the load balancer side. There's also a misconfiguration, so we fix it. Also on the application side, there's an issue. So there's the memory that's allocated is small, so we increase it. And also on the database, I've discovered that because it runs on the Unix server, it has misconfiguration as well because the ports this Unix machine has a default limits for ports for so the ports used has been limited to like a low value. So sometimes the database gets disconnected as well. So I've I've fixed a lot of issues in this one problem alone. So by learning the architecture fast, checking all the configuration from load balancer to the applications to the web server to the application itself. So working with the development team, the network team, the firewall team, and also the database team. So that's my kind of attitude and experience. So I can came in to a very complex problem ranging from these varied disciplines and actually can solve this issue. So I have other experience as well. Maybe in the cloud also figuring out what's happening. Like for example, why there is no communication that happening. So I've used on the packet level. I've used TCP dump to actually identify where the problem is. So either if the problem is on the client side or on the server side. So it's I have this lots of experience that I can still talk about, but I'm more on prove. I can actually capture metrics and prove uh, by actual showing these metrics that I've discovered and all these tools output that I've gotten from the logs and to show where the real problem is and not only show it but actually solve them.